Evening everyone, hope everyone's good. So tonight for dinner, kids wanted to have Mexican. Something that our kids and everyone in the family loves is chili con queso, which is a Mexican cheese dip served with corn chips. But this is just, again, like a lot of things, my version of doing it. So I'll just quickly take you through the recipe and just follow me when I go through here. Right, so in a pan we've got a tablespoon of butter. So over here we have chopped some garlic. So the garlic's gonna go in, and then we've got some onions or shallots chopped. They're just gonna go in there. So just gonna give them a sweat just for a quick sec. Just gonna add a pinch of sea salt in there. So you just want to sweat it till you don't get that raw onion and garlic sort of flavor. Next up, I'm gonna put in so I've got some chopped up jalapeno chilies. They're just gonna go in there, just finely chopped. So that's going to take about 30 seconds to a minute. While that's happening, so over here I have sour cream that's going to go in, and I have some cream in there, and I'm going to put in some Philadelphia cream cheese. Whoop, where do I go here? Right, so we've got that, and then we also have some cheddar cheese. Going to add a little bit of chili powder, just a touch of smoked paprika, again just a couple of pinches. Here, add a bit of cream. And now I'm going to add sour cream. Again, you want to do this on low heat, not on high. Right, just let the go. And next up, put a good spoonful of cream cheese. You can not add the paprika or the chili powder, again purely optional in here. I've kept the heat quite low, so this is literally going to take us less than 5 minutes to make from start to finish. Yep, great. And my trusted helper here is right. So Varun, my sous chef, he just grated some cheese, and now we're just going to put in a good amount of Parmesan cheese and off the heat. And there we go. Touch of cream, and again, like I said, I'm not putting this back on the heat. Here we have it, ready. Just gonna give it a quick taste. Really good. Just a little pinch of salt, and just for good measure, just a bit of coriander or cilantro. So we have it done. Just gonna give it a quick dip and